Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Treats. So are you looking for a 6G smartphone, and especially is it an Android smartphone plus budget friendly? Then please keep watching the video. So today I'm gonna unbox this IQOO smartphone. It's a 6G smartphone, okay? It's this IQOO. What's the model name? IQOO Z9X 5G. IQOO Z9X 5G. Let me show it to you. Yeah, right now. So now you can view it. It's IQOO Z9X 5G smartphone. What are the specifications? Let's have a look at it. Says it's made in India. Okay, model number, then RAM. 4 GB of RAM, 120 GB of internal storage. Color is storm gray. You also get in some green color if you want to. You may opt for. Then the weight, network. It comes with a. It's a 5G smartphone. Okay. So these are the specifications, and then let's quickly unbox the device and see what's inside this budget-friendly 5G Android smartphone. The IQOO are a series of it's written as Z9X 4 GB for 4 GB plus 120 GB, 4 GB of RAM and 120 GB of storage. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 2 processor plus a 6000 mAh battery, rechargeable. It's more than enough, I believe, for a full day performance. It can run for more than 24 hours, of course, since the battery capacity is so high. Let's keep this on one side and then check it out. Yeah, so what's more, so we get to see some more tips at the bottom. Okay, so caution is there: do not accept if the seal is broken. Sealed package. Okay, then let's open it up. Yeah, we can open it from the tape is on just one side, not on the other one. Let's open it up. Yeah, so we have opened it. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Just have a look at it. The design looks so sleek design. IQOO Z9X. Okay, it's made in India phone, 4 GB, 128 GB of 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. Let's keep this thing on side. There's more we get to see in the box. Okay, well, this is something interesting. What's this? Oh, okay, the details. Let's keep this thing on side. Okay, now it gets interesting. We get to see this back cover for the smartphone itself. That's great. It's transparent, but okay, it works. What's more, we get to see is one important information and warranty card for the device IQOO. It's good that this company is providing with a warranty card. That copy. Okay, followed by what's more, you to see. Okay, one quick start guide. So here are the tips. If you would like to read, you can go through it. It provides some information about the device itself. What's more, you get to see is okay. So this is a product of Vivo, right? So it's written as Vivo. Flash charge 44 watts. Input, you can see output also. It's 5 volt 3 ampere. Maybe this can be a 6000 mAh lithium polymer battery, not lithium ion, lithium polymer. 6000 mAh technology is LiPo in short. Let's have a look at length of the charging cable. So okay, it's a type C. It's a type C one. The quality of the cable is really very good quality. Type C to Type A, USB Type A. The length is not very long, but it works. It's okay. What's more, we get to see here is the SIM ejector pin. Small SIM ejector pin. Let's take it out and see how it looks. So it looks like this. Circle one. I hope you can see it, viewers. Circle one. Okay, now let's keep each and everything on the side and let's come to the device itself. So this is the device. Let's take out the packaging. Take it out from this. It really looks nice and beautiful from outside. Seal pack of IQOO the X9. Okay, so yeah, there's some small pretty dust. I don't know why. Oh, it comes with a tempered glass protection already on the device itself. I hope you can see it's a very thin, maybe 1 or 2D Corning Gorilla Glass. On the top you get to see this 8 megapixel camera. On the rear you can see 50 megapixel aspherical. It's written as aspherical. I believe you can see this. It's dual camera setup. Dual camera with dual flash. One is white and another one is orange. And here's one small sensor maybe. And the badging of IQOO. Okay, it's kind of matte. It's matte finishing. That's really nice. And okay, on here you get to see the SIM tray on this side. On the top you don't get to see any microphones. On the right side you get to see the volume increase and decrease button, and this is the power button to turn on the smartphone, and plus maybe a fingerprint scanner also. Let's check it out. At the bottom you get to see over here one microphone, 3.5 mm jack, 3.5 mm, and the Type C port, speaker grill. So let's boot up the device to see how it performs, our IQOO device. Let's see whether it has got yeah, it has got some charge in. Let's put it to the back cover. Okay, let me show you this thing, the SIM ejector pin, how it works. How is the slot? IQOO 5G turns on. It boots up. So it has turned on. Well, now let me show you the SIM ejector tool, how it is. Yeah. So here we get to see the SIM ejector tool. Maybe it has got a gasket inside for water resistance. Yes, I'm right. It's got a gasket. Yeah. So this is the SIM ejector tool. Here comes a small gasket for water resistance. SIM 1, SIM 2, dual SIM, or one SIM and one micro SD card. This is the setup. So this is the product. This is the SIM tray. It's great. So let's boot up the device first and start. Okay, next. Let's set it up offline. Continue. Full services. More. Of course, you have to accept each and every condition since it's running on Android. Android is a product of Google. You know. Let's skip it for now. Send usage and diagnostic. Okay, so IQOO device, when you're using IQOO, will check the way how you're using the smartphone. You have to agree with it. Okay, you have got this option like 3-button navigation, gesture navigation, whichever you select. It's Vivo. This is powered by FunTouch OS. Well, Vivo smartphones are powered by FunTouch OS. So this is IQOO Z9X 5G. It is also a smartphone coming from Vivo. So it has got FunTouch OS. Congratulations, you are all set up. Let's start it. Okay. So it has started. Now let's see. No sign up needed. Good. Now you get to see these options just like any normal Android smartphone. Locations turn on. Let's close it right now, no need. It's a great, this is the app drawer. As you can see, it has already got pre-installed apps like Amazon, this is third party, not IQOO.com. okay, Netflix, some pre-installed like bloatware, PhonePe, the app stores. The experience is very smooth, as you can see. The power of Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 2. Great. Let's go ahead to the settings and see what we get to see. Just like any normal smartphone. Where's the sound of this smartphone actually? Let's play any ringtone, then we will. Yeah, it's just good. Great sound. Now I just have a look at the camera, how it works. Let's open the camera app. Okay. Also, you have to agree to this. Agreed. Now let's take a photo of the product's adapter, and then we will come to know how it works, how good the camera quality is. Example, we take this. Now so you can see the quality. The quality of the image is good, quite pretty good. The details, like the moment I clicked it, the pic, the details were quite pretty good. Now let's take something with the selfie camera. Let's see. Selfie is also quite great. So, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Technical Treats, and also hit the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. Thank you.